Which type of online course you should not create? While there is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, there are certain types of online courses that may be less suitable for various reasons. Here are some examples. Overly saturated topics. Creating a course on a topic that is already heavily saturated with competition may make it challenging to stand out and attract students. It's essential to research the market and assess whether there is room for your course to offer something unique or different. Narrow or limited audience. Courses that target a very narrow or niche audience may struggle to attract enough students to be financially viable. It's important to consider the size and accessibility of your target audience when deciding on a course topic. Trend-driven content. Courses that are based solely on passing trends or fads may have a short shelf life and become obsolete quickly. Instead, focus on creating evergreen content that provides long-term value to your audience. Controversial or sensitive topics. Courses that deal with controversial or sensitive topics may attract negative attention or backlash, which could harm your reputation or business. It's important to approach such topics with sensitivity and caution, and be prepared to handle any potential issues that may arise. Lack of expertise or experience. Creating a course on a topic where you lack expertise or experience may result in low-quality content that fails to meet the needs of your audience. It's important to choose topics where you have genuine expertise and can provide valuable insights and guidance. Highly technical or specialized subjects. Courses that cover highly technical or specialized subjects may have a limited audience and require a high level of expertise to create effectively. It's important to assess whether you have the necessary knowledge and skills to deliver high-quality content on such topics. Ultimately, the key is to choose a course topic that aligns with your expertise and interests, meets the needs of your target audience, and has the potential to provide long-term value and growth opportunities. It's important to conduct thorough market research and validation to ensure that there is sufficient demand for your course topic before investing time and resources into its creation.